If you're into health and wellness, and especially if you've delved into fitness, you've definitely been on the lookout for the best apps to help you achieve your goals. As a former gymnast turned at-home fitness enthusiast, I've tried countless apps to find the one that truly makes a difference. Today, I'm excited to share my top 8 fitness and wellness apps that transform my routine. From keeping track of my workout to managing my nutrition, these apps cover it all. Let's dive in and explore the apps that will take your fitness journey to the next level.
Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today I want to discuss with you my top 8 apps that I use every single day for fitness, wellness. The first one is Apple Fitness Plus. I have been introduced to Apple Fitness Plus when I bought an iPad and I had a 3-month free trial subscription. I have been hooked ever since. This app is high quality. There are so many workouts to choose from. The trainers are amazing. The music is out of this world. I love working out on this. I will be coming out with a video because I've tried their custom plan features. One thing that is super cool is how it all synced with your iPhone, iPad, your Apple TV if you have one, and your Apple Watch. Like, Apple does it best. And if you're a beginner or an advanced athlete, I am sure that you're going to find something that you will love. This app has it all and it's really affordable. Also, if you ever get a new device, sometimes it comes with free trials. Try it because you are not going to be disappointed. The second app is YouTube. I have YouTube Premium because I don't get ads that way. If you are looking to save some money, I would highly suggest that you go on YouTube and find people who have amazing channels for free to work out. So I'm gonna tell you guys which one I absolutely love, mostly for cycling and yoga. So I love Tana Yoga for yoga and Yoga with Kate Embers. These two, I always know that I'm going to find something. And the one that I also love for cycling, I really hope I'm gonna pronounce it right, but it's Calais Cohen Cycling. Or workouts are amazing. Dare I say, these are my favorite cycling workout ever. So if you are interested in trying either yoga or cycling, these are the ones that I would highly recommend that you take a look at. When I'm doing my own workouts, I love to use Workout of the Day Timer. This app is free. It allows me to set a timer for whatever type of workouts that I want to do. So either it's a HIIT workout, an EMOM workout, or Tabata workout. Since it is free, it's very convenient, very easy to use. If you're looking for an app that has timer that is straightforward, this is something that I would highly suggest. Lately, I was debating on getting a new Apple Watch or getting a Garmin watch. I really love all of the data that came with the Garmin watch. I did a little bit of research and found out that there is this app, which is going to be my 4th app, that I highly suggest to you guys, and it is Athlytics. This takes information from my Apple Watch and my Oura Ring and give me an overall view of either if I am sleeping enough, if I recovered enough, if I can exert myself to what degree based on how much I recovered, my sleep schedule, my sleep quality, what type of workout I should be doing. So a high intensity, a lower intensity workout, how many minutes that I should work out. It tracks also my runs, my walks. It gives me so many information about my workouts and my overall health. I love data. The more there is, the happier I am. I truly believe that this is amazing if you are looking to get healthier. If you're in your wellness era, this app is really not that expensive and it combines information from your wearable device. If you're interested in an in-depth review of the Athlytic app, let me know in the comment down below. I would love to hear from you. If you also have another app that gives you all of these kind of data, I'm all ears. I have been a user of MyFitnessPal for so many years. Ever since I learned how to track macros, I have been using this app. I had an ad on Instagram for this next app. It's Parrot Pal AI. This is so nice because most of the time what I found that was excruciating with working with MyFitnessPal is to do all of the calculation for the amount of food that you had. Macros are an average. The nutrition facts that you see on a label is an average of this food. So you don't really have to be, unless you're a bodybuilder and you're training for something specific, you just want to track your macros. I think that this app is amazing because it's like a chat where you write what you are eating and the amount, and it automatically tracks your protein and your calories, which is what I'm currently doing. I don't track other macros. I feel like this is a game-changing way to track. It's so easy compared to MyFitnessPal, so this is definitely something that I would highly suggest that you try if it is definitely powered by AI. AI is coming strong for the fitness, health, and wellness industry. This I really enjoy using. Now moving on to the wellness and mental health side of this video, it is so important to have an overall view of your fitness. It's not just the muscle that you create in the gym, it is also about your mental health, and I have been using the Open app for the past few weeks and I have been loving it. I have never done any breath work in an app before, so at first it was kind of funny, but I really see the benefits of doing this, and I think that this app is really well-rounded. It's really nicely put together, it looks good, and I love to meditate with it on a daily basis, which is a win because meditation is so good for your mental health, but the impact of meditation is when you do it every single day or as often as you can. Finding something that you know that you're going to use every single day is definitely something important. Obviously, a good workout comes with a good playlist. Whenever I'm not doing anything on my Apple Fitness Plus app and I do my own type of workout, I use Spotify. Spotify has so many amazing playlists. I love to listen to podcasts, to music playlists, but also one thing that is new in Canada anyway is that now you can listen to audiobooks on Spotify. If you have Spotify Premium, I have been loving listening to audiobooks while I work out because it really makes me take my workout slower compared to an high intensity music beat type of thing. I would highly suggest that if you don't have Spotify Premium, get it because it has so many features that you're going to enjoy, namely not having ads. Last but definitely not least, like I said earlier, I was debating on getting a Garmin or staying with Apple Watch. I have the entire Apple environment. It made sense to me to stay with an Apple Watch. I love the way that my Apple Watch is a smartwatch with fitness feature, but one thing that I was really unhappy with is the fact that I couldn't see my step count on my face watch. There is an app that is free, super simple to download and to use as a widget on your face watch, and it is called Pedometer, and you can now track your step count. I don't know why Apple doesn't have it integrated in its device. This is a way to get your step count on your face watch. I now am more than ever obsessed with my Apple Watch, even though step counts are hit or miss, as in there is no golden number. 10K was, for the fun story, just a marketing thing that was launched many years ago in Japan because of the Olympics that were taking place in Japan. People had pedometer on them. It stopped at 10K, so that's why we have a 10K golden number. The golden number is the one that you can keep on being consistent with it. So you don't have to pressure yourself to do 10K, but I still love to see how many steps I took in a day just to be mindful of if I move my body or not. I work from home, so some days I just work all day in front of my computer, so seeing my step count on my Apple Watch definitely helps me to be mindful of being more active throughout the day. So that is it, you guys. These are the top 8 apps that I use on a daily that I would highly recommend that you use. Let me know what app are you using that you love for fitness, wellness, or health. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up because it really supports my channel and myself as a content creator. If you're new, welcome. I am so excited that you are here. Please don't forget to subscribe because I would love for us to be friends, and so that you don't miss anything that I post, don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys. I hope you have an amazing weekend, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.